At Jack Tech, what's happening? We got this Ford Mustang here. It's 2004. Problem is the shifter here. Sometimes it won't go in park, so he had to put it in neutral to get it to start. Sometimes it start in park and sometimes it won't. And I'm gonna show you what I found. Okay, I'm under the vehicle. This is why the vehicle won't go into park so it can start. This little piece right here is broken, and it's supposed to stay stiff. When it broke, now would you see what it does? It flexes. That is not what it's supposed to do. Now right up here is the other end of the shift cable that shift to the shifter. See, I'm flexing it down there. See how it's moving? So the cable, it's bad. It's flexing and it won't push this linkage all the way up to engage the starter. So when you have this issue, you can start it if you put it in neutral. If the vehicle start, then this is your issue. One more thing. This cable can be adjusted, so if it's not broke, you can't adjust it. These cables are known for stretching all the time, so don't let nobody tell you you need to replace it if it's stretched. Just have it adjusted. And now you know. Jack Attack, knowledge